Hi, my name is Pam, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these mini lollipops using Eva foam. This foam, in Spanish they say goma Eva. It's Eva goma. Foaming. Sorry. Okay. You will need to mark in the foaming a ½ inch and then you are going to mark with this stick and you have to cut it. In the description I'm going to put some links of other projects that I made with this kind of material, this foam. Okay, so I do the same with this other mark and cut too. This is a beautiful foaming, and instead of this color I will put this one. So let's begin. With silicone, liquid silicone glue, you have to glue right here and let it dry. And then you have to roll roll and some glue, and here some glue too. Okay. And wrap again. I put here. So if you want, cut here or roll, but I want to cut here. Okay, and glue. You have to hold some time. Okay. And then you have to use this I put a little bit here glue, and here is going to put the okay. And that's it. It's so easy to make. And in this excuse me, I have a cold. Okay, you have to cut this side of the pig. Okay. And I'm going to use these two small hearts to put right here. So you can also you can also put here a little bowl. Okay, okay. Here and then. And here you have your mini lollipop. Okay. If you want, you can put over here glitter. So if you want put glitter here, you have to use white glue over here. Okay, over here. And then you have to put some glitter, the color that you prefer. Okay. And then you have to, okay, and that's it. Rapidly, and you can use more other colors to make them. And that's all. And thank you for watching this video. And remember, in the description box I will put the links with other projects that I done with this kind of material, this foam. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you.